In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Maps 3D on Android. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can start exploring cities and landmarks with realistic depth in just a few taps. In Google Maps, the 3D option and raised buildings refer to the same visual features, so once you enable it, you'll see structures gain height and shape instead of staying flat. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your Android device. Look to the top right for the Layers button. It looks like a stack of squares. Tap it, then under Map Details, select Raised Buildings. This turns on 3D style rendering wherever it's available. To get a quick feel for how it looks, tap a specific building on the map. In the lower left corner, choose Street View to jump down to ground level and then tap the aerial option. This gives you an elevated perspective of that spot, which helps you understand how the 3D effect positions buildings and landmarks in space. Now, to actually view the map in 3D and control the angle, zoom in to a city or a notable building so there's enough detail on screen. Place 2 fingers on the display and swipe upward or downward together. That gesture tilts the map, transforming your view from a flat overhead look into a 3D angle with depth. While you're there, rotate the scene with a 2-finger twist to look around corners or align your view with a street. Pinch in and out to zoom while keeping the tilt. This lets you move closer to facades or pull back to see more of the skyline. If your area looks flat, try zooming further in or moving to a larger city. 3D coverage varies by location. For the most dramatic results, switch to satellite view. Tap Layers again and choose Satellite. Then tilt the map the same way with 2 fingers. Satellite imagery combined with raised buildings produces the most realistic effect, especially in large cities and around famous landmarks. Google has supported 3D buildings in maps for years, and newer versions even display them during navigation in some regions, making directions clearer as you approach complex intersections or tall structures. That's it. Enable raised buildings, use the tilt and rotate gestures, and turn on satellite when you want the fullest sense of depth. With these tools, you'll be able to explore cities more intuitively and plan routes with a better feel for the terrain and skyline.